Hi, I'm Programmatics. I'm here to share with you my story today. And guess what? Today I am 10 years old. Find it a little surprising to hear me talk, right? How can Programmatics, an institute, be alive? Well, that's because I was never just an institute, never just a building, never just a lifeless class. I have always been full of life because that's the way my entire team thinks of me. Of course, I did not just come into existence or got founded, I was born. And then, every day from 25th March 2011, I have been nurtured and grown just like a young, energetic child with a big dream and a strong vision. However, it's my 10th birthday today. So let's take a trip down the memory lane. Because I heard a few whispers the day I was born that I was never meant to be just another coaching class. I was born as an idea, turned into a dream, and grew into a passion. Of course, with a lot of hopes, questions, doubts, and a strong faith. The idea is to revolutionize the Indian education system, and the vision to not just be an academic institution, but the best human development organization, and we are absolutely on our way. The initial days, even when it was difficult to be taken seriously and trusted by students and parents, the passion was still growing every day. As they say, difficulties become easy when you enjoy the journey all along and keep the goal in mind. The first time when my keys were handed over to me, the first time when I got my name, the first time I got my identity as an educational institute, all that was so special. The first day I got my benches, the first time I got that PI vibe, the first time students began their journey with me, the first time a parent trusted me, the first time when my unique culture was shaped and thought of. That was the day I knew I was different. From that day onwards, I try my best to be my students' happy place, so that whenever they come to me, they are happy and feel special, because with me, teaching and learning is filled with fun, love and laughter. My family started growing. धीरे धीरे लोग जुड़ते गए and कारवा बनता गया. From a team of 2, we grew to 4 and more. What started with just one student turned into a class full of dreamers. Then came the year 2012 and 13. My family even grew larger. People started recognizing me, be it for science, engineering, PD or career guidance. I was beginning to stand on my own feet. And as they say, firsts are always special. And those days, there were a lot of new things happening. Right from the first 10 on 10 feedback, the first PTMs, the first class full of students, every small step, every small progress felt like a big achievement. And the year 2014, 15 and 16 were full of them. Be it the first successful orientations, the first results, every single birthday celebration, student outings, trips, treks, sports tournaments, they were wonderful. And trust me, growing an institution is no different than growing and nurturing a child. Because I've seen my team cheering and clapping and giving their everything to me every time I took the tiniest step forward. 2017, 18, 19 again had beautiful things and even bigger roller coaster waiting for us. New place, new identity obviously brought in new challenges as well. And the big problems of yesterday were no more of a concern today. Once started as a part-time venture, I was now a family of dreamers who wished to change the education system. The results got bigger and better. Events got bigger than before. Confidence grew more than ever. Yes, we made mistakes, but that's how we learn, right? 2020 was quite scary. The lockdown days began and ended without a smile or a laughter. But in the face of adversity, I'm grateful to my team for getting into action from day one and not compromising the academics even for a day. The year with the most difficulties also proved to be the year of my best results, and thus a blessing in disguise. Cut to 2021, after touching the lives of 15,000 plus students. Today, on my 10th anniversary, I would like to thank each and every person who has been with me throughout the journey. Thank you to every student, every parent, every team member, every well-wisher. You are the reason for what I am today and what I will be tomorrow. Lastly, I'd just like to dedicate this to my entire PI team. जो सफ़र शुरू किया था यूं ही चलते चलते, जो सपना देखा था यूं ही बैठे बैठे, न जाने कब जिंदगी का मकसद बन गया कि सोचा कि मंजिल तक तो पहुंचना ही है, चाहे जिंदगी ही बीत जाए उस सपने को संवारते संवारते।